Uncle Geoff's easy-peasy English today is having a quick look at prepositions. We never, ever say in the weekend. In British English, we never say in the weekend. Please do not say it yourself. In British English, we say at the weekend. American English use on the weekend. But in British English in the UK, where Uncle Geoff comes from, we say at the weekend. At the weekend, I'm going 10-pin bowling. Or I might go to the cinema at the weekend. Or at the weekend, I'm going shopping with my wife. What exciting things are you doing at the weekend?